Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen. So in today's video, I will be transforming my mom's front porch for this summer. It will be a full makeover, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and let's go ahead and get started. This is how the front porch looks before the makeover, and the plans that I have for this small front porch is to keep everything nice and simple but relaxing and beautiful at the same time. So I decided to paint the brick white to give this outdoor space a clean and fresh new look. And my mom helped me with this project, and while she was working painting the brick, I was working in another project. I have this all outdoor side table that I decided to paint it in a gold color because it will look great with the decoration plans that I have for this small front porch. And this is the spray paint I use to paint this metal outdoor side table. I also went shopping with my mom to different stores, and if you're looking for inexpensive ways to decorate your small front porch, Hobby Lobby and Homescoot have some amazing and beautiful decoration items that will transform your front porch. I found a lot of cute stuff at a very good price that I will be using in this front porch makeover. We also went to buy some flowers, and this is something that I do every year with my mom. This is something that we do together and that we enjoy doing it, and we find some amazing plants and flowers, and we are so excited for this front porch makeover. This place was super big. They have different types of flowers and plants. We spent a lot of time here, and we have so much fun picking up the plants and the flowers for this project. So for the door, I want something simple as possible. So I decided to make this summer front door basket. And I got that from Walmart, and the basket from Hobby Lobby, and also the plants and the flower from Hobby Lobby. I think I spent probably $25–30 in all the items. So this is a simple DIY project. I am going to use white flowers, but you can use any type of flower, any color, and also the basket can be any color. This is super simple and easy to do. You just put the flowers inside of the basket, and whatever you're going to decorate the basket with is super easy and simple. Decorating the space, I'm using these pots that I bought from Hobby Lobby, Homescoot, and Lowe's. And this one I bought it from Hobby Lobby, And the black one I got it from Homesgood, and the white one from Lowe's, and this one from Hobby Lobby too. I love all of them. They're super cute and they're going to look great in this front porch makeover. I also decide to add hanging basket flowers because they look beautiful and they add a lot of color to the porch. So now it's the time for my favorite part of this project, which is decoration. But before we jump into that, I want to make sure everything is nice and clean before I start adding all the decoration items to this small front porch. So this is the reveal. I hope you guys enjoyed this small front porch makeover that I did for my mom. She loved it and I hope you guys like it too. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And also like and comment. If you have any question, I'll be happy to answer. And I see you next time for the next video.